Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix multi-snap not showing on Snapchat. So after you open the Snapchat and seeing right here the tools, if you click the plus button right here to see the tools, you will not see the multi-snap right here appearing in front of you. So how do we fix that? Now, what happens is if you just go ahead in order to fix that and go ahead and click on your pit emoji at the top left, and from here go ahead and click on your settings gear, scroll a little bit down till you find the logout button. Just go ahead and click logout and confirm that you want to log out. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just you're gonna log back in again, right? And basically what's gonna happen, you're gonna see the multi-snap right here appearing for you, right? You're gonna see it appearing in the tools right here, as you can see. All right, so basically I don't know what causes that issue, but for now this is like the best solution. You log out and basically log in again and you'll be able to see it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.